Black mascara. In this video, we will dive into the fascinating world of black mascara, exploring its benefits, application tips, and why it holds a special place in the hearts of many. But, why black mascara? Black mascara is an indispensable beauty product for enhancing the natural beauty of your eyes. Black mascara can be your go-to ally, whether you prefer a minimalistic everyday look or a more dramatic and glamorous style. It defines your lashes, making them appear longer, fuller, and more voluminous. With just a few coats, black mascara can transform your eyes, making them the focal point of your makeup.
In the next video, we describe how to choose the right mascara.
Please, read more in the link below.